Gene Malkoff here today again with Malkoff Devices, and today I'm going to show you how to install a McClicky switch into one of our E-Series tailcaps. The first thing you want to do is, what I'm using is this little pair of snap ring pliers that I have modified by grinding the tips to where it fits into the back of this. The tool you use is not nearly as important as just getting it done, because it's really simple. First thing you want to do is take the boot and fit it into the E-Series cap. Now this just kind of shoves down in here, and you have to kind of manipulate it a little bit because it's a kind of a tight thing. And there you can see where the button is poking out like it should now. That's what it looks like from the inside. It may be hard to see. And then all you do is these threads will fit this thread pattern, and you just screw it down in there. Then take these little snap ring pliers and fit them down in there. Turn it until it's snug, and that's all there is to it. And now you've got the E-Series clicky switch. You can screw onto any E-Series or Scout light body.